Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we would like to talk about a Bitcoin Cash targets for next bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Why did I choose the Bitcoin Cash? Because China opened the crypto market and Bitcoin Cash is one of coins which they give the option to trade. So this is a historical chart on a Gate.io. It's from October 17. And this is one more example to everybody who think every single new bull run will beat the previous all-time high. No, it's not. It doesn't work like that. So here's a top end of bull run in December 17. Top was 4K. Here's the end of bull run in April 2021. And yes, this was the end of bull run, not in November. So this is one of big mistake of traders because here A, B, C. So this is how it works, you know. We're a long time period in the bear market, not in here. Bull run, not a beat this previous all-time high. So this is how it works, and it's not necessary so the next bull run will beat this high. But we will talk about this all levels in this video. So this global yearly FIB is legit. Top support. Like you can see, test 23 level by FIB, little bit over, collapse it down to 18 level by FIB. So every single time when we trade in 27 zone, it's a good time for accumulation. Here's a reaction, bounce from 18 level and test once again 23. Nothing special, not a miracle. We not even test 0.5 level by FIB on this global yearly FIB. Yes, we have all chances test 0.5 and 61. So this is a main targets for Bitcoin Cash in the future. And we talk about years. Yes, we can see something like this one, you know. And maybe after that, in the next cycles, this hypothetical double bottom will play out and we will see the new real all-time high around here or around here. But my personal conservative price is maximum for Bitcoin Cash around 2025, 2026. I guess we can hit, first of all, we have to beat zero level. So most likely the minimal target, what we can expect, it's liquidation, all this order flow, because over than every single week candle, we got someone stop losses who open shorts. And we got a seller pressure here. And the main stop losses is here. So when we liquidate all these guys, we will beat just a zero level of yearly FIB. Like you know, we walk from level to level. So the next stop will be bet this stop losses. It's over the 0.23 level by FIB. So minimal target, what we can expect, this one and 38. Maximum, it's euphoria on the market and FOMO will be at these levels. So just mark these levels for you and don't be so greedy and don't forget to take profit, you know. If we take a look on the gaps on the monthly time frame, we got these two main gaps. Under, nothing. Under, we got only here horizontal line. The price is $74. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course. Yes, of course we can. Of course, now the Bitcoin Cash traded much lower than the COVID dump crash, but we have all chances drop even lower than December 18. But I hope we will not crash because we don't even test 27 level. Of course, to test 27 level, we have to add 0. That's why I don't think so it will happen. But to drop once again lower than this low, yes, we have all chances. It will be just insane crash from 112, 33%. Yes. But I think it will not happen. 1 year, exactly 1 year we trade in this range can be the move like this one to go out of 18 level by FIB and close at least 50% of monthly gap. It will be around 235 and fulfill 266. And after that, we can drop one more time like this one, retest and hold the line. So now we just build huge order block. We can count like this one here, for example. So it can be the support order block in the future. Here, support. That's why more than possible to see something like this one, you know, breaking out, fulfill, retest, and continuation to close this gap. All these gaps is like a magnet for the price. Fulfill of next gap, monthly time frame, it's 530. Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1. Based on accumulation distribution indicator, the whales accumulate mostly here in June 2022. The price was at $98. And we didn't forming divergency. So now we're just forming just like this move. We hold a trend line. And here's accumulation in May 2023. That's why we have all chances to push price much higher here to bring the euphoria on the market. And like I always explain to you, the whales, they don't need to push the price so high. They need just to make a double X. And for example, from 120, they can make a move to close fulfill or even 50% of this gap, like this one, for example, and they can withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins. So they may double X, withdraw millions, and just leave free coins and then come back down. Something like this one, distribute in this area and drop it price one more time for accumulation. So this is how it works. So now it's not time to sell Bitcoin Cash. Now it's time to accumulate. Time to sell was here. Here is example. Here was the time to sell. When you see something like this one on the chart, it can be the time to sell. So last time we dropped from 479 till 170. So it's kind of a big deal, you know. And the biggest accumulation also was here in December 18. Let's take a look on Crypto for Light direction. Crypto for Light direction here showing the last time when we saw the accumulation, just a few weeks accumulation was here in December 18 before the COVID dump, you know. As you know, after this accumulation 172, we pump it to the new high 1,600. Now the big players accumulate much more. Here they start accumulating from January 2022. From this price, it's around 340 till $89. So the average price can be around 200, for example. That's why they can push price easily, much higher. And in this area, we need to see the signal to sell. Step by step, but in opposite way, the red circles. You can see long time period, more than 1.5 years, they accumulate Bitcoin Cash for some reason. And now we got a signal to pump here in November 2022 after FTX collapse. That's why now I'm more bullish than bearish, you know. That's why even just personally for me, if you want accumulate and you believe in Bitcoin Cash, it's not a big deal, you know, accumulate at 100 or $74. It's just up to you, even if we form in the lower low. For long run, anyway, I think Bitcoin Cash will bring the good gains. If we take a look on market mode. Market mode, every single time when you see the red color, extreme red color, it's time to distribute your coins. White color in the market, it's time to accumulate your coin. Here's accumulation. Here's accumulation from December 2021. Somebody accumulate this coin, you know. Just imagine. Even from 400, somebody started accumulate. Total disbelief on the market. Till January 2023. More than 1 year. More than 1 year. And now we're just in the green zone. Last time when we see the green zone here, it was the bear market. We drop it down. But every single time when we see the green zone, by end of bear market, it was here. It was here December 18, November 19. Here's August 20, and you know what happened next. So this is how it works. So now this zone was the accumulation stage. Trade on indicator. Let's take a look. Yes. This looks pretty good. Because we got here signal to sell. Here, 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 step by step. The whales distribute their coins. Now we got recommendation, close position, and here in June 2022, we finally got on a weekly time frame signal, take profit and close all short positions. And here we got a main signal to buy on the weekly time frame. So of course we can drop a little bit lower, you know, like this one, lower than the signal to buy, but it's a main signal. So the whales accumulate a lot and they're ready to pump this coin. So they fill their bags, you know, they ready. That's why if we take a look on the last indicator, take profit, this indicator shows fundamental price, fundamental value of this coin. Every single time when we trade or touch last line, it's fundamental price. Here's a buy line. Here's a take profit and an exit line. 4 lines, you know, every single time when we touch on the weekly time frame, fundamental price, the road is open to take profit. It's safety trade. So here we collapse it down under fundamental price. Now we reject 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We rejected the fundamental price. And if we breaking out this level, retest, the road will be open to take profit. It's safety trade. And at least if you see that some coin test on the weekly time frame, take profit line, it's time to out of this coin 100% or at least withdraw your initial deposit. Just a safety trade. So you made a good gains, for example, from this current price, it can be around, for example, 186%, 190. You withdraw initial deposit, just leave free coins and you save your initial deposit. So this is how it works. Basically, usually, even on a daily or different time frames, we walk from level to level. So we can hit take profit, even exit line over than this gap, and we can come back to the buy line, to this second one. These lines can curve higher. They change the direction. So this is how it works. So now I'm more bullish than bearish. Of course, we can crash like this one. Of course we can. But just keep in mind, first negative scenario and the zone where you can accumulate the price, it's lower than historical low for $74, and out of coin you can add here, let me mark the price, 330. All these lines are dynamic, so we can trade long-term period here in the summer. So this line can be here around, for example, in October, in September, can be at fulfill, and it can be the move like this one to the buy line. I don't think so. The Bitcoin Cash will beat in the next even 5 years, will beat the high of 2017. But of course, it's just my personal opinion, you know. Anyway, sooner or later, maybe, if the crypto will be still alive, we can count like this one, for example, chart. We can draw this trend line on the line chart. We can make a move like this one, reject here, or even breaking out, you know, zero level, retest, and only after that continue, move higher. So this is how it works. So now we're in the accumulation stage for Bitcoin Cash, and I guess the end of next bull run will be around 2025, 2026. Till that time, we'll see the new euphoria, new FOMO. So now no FOMO. Now it's time to accumulate and wait. Just if you're ready to wait 2 or 3 years, you will be rewarded. Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan. Guys, I hope you like this video about Bitcoin Cash. Write please in the comment what you think about this current moment on the market. Do you accumulate a Bitcoin Cash for a long run or not? Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.